Rebelcanners, teaching food preservation, including the old ways. Today's quick tip is blending some of your own pumpkin pie spice. Who doesn't love a good pumpkin pie this time of year? When you buy spices in bulk, it's so much cheaper to make your own blends. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pie spice. So easy. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Freshly ground is the best. 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves, or if you're like me, you can reduce that just a tiny bit. That's the beauty of making your own spices. You can adjust them to your own personal taste. That's it. Mix them together and you're done. It's so easy and more economical. Rebelcanners is now on Instagram. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Follow us on Facebook. We're the ones with the black canning jar.